Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Steady Delight. So today we are going to see the most important current affairs for 1 November. We are going to see some questions for today, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Steady Delight and share the video. So let's move on to the first question. Which bank is named Asia's safest bank for 12 consecutive years? Answer is option number B, DBS. DBS Bank today announced that it has been named the safest bank in Asia for the 12th consecutive year by the New York-based trade publication Global Finance. DBS ranking is as the fourth safest commercial bank in the world and 14th safest bank globally, remain unchanged from 2019 and 2018. So this is the photo of DBS Bank, this is its logo, and let's move on to the next question. So next question is, who won the special prize in global art competition? Answer is option number B, Anjar Mustain Ali. He is only 6-year-old from Bangladesh. He is a 6-year-old Bangladeshi boy, Anjar Mustain Ali, who won a special prize of 1000 US dollar for his network in a global art competition organized by the Indian Council of Cultural Relations ICCR. The ICCR had launched a global painting competition named United Against Corona Expressed Through Art, which attracted 8,000 artwork entries from around the world. After the first round of competition, 210 artworks were shortlisted. So you can see this is his image. This is the boy Amzar Mustain Ali. 1 second, I am erasing all. Okay, this is Amzar Mustain Ali, and see here written he has got the US dollar 1000 rupees. And let's move on to the next question. Plastic Premier League tournament is to be played in which city? Answer is option number C, Indore. A unique Plastic Premier League PPL tournament is being played in Indore, Madhya Pradesh to free the city from single-use plastic. Indore is known for its innovative efforts regarding cleanliness. Indore has been awarded as the cleanest city in the country 4 times so far. Indore has been awarded the cleanest city, means 4 times he has been awarded the cleanest city. So next, move on to the next question. Who is appointed as the new Chief Information Commissioner? Answer is option number C, Yaswardhan K. Sinha. So friends, Government of India has approved the name of former Foreign Service Officer Yaswardhan K. Sinha and as the new Chief Information Commissioner. He was already the Information Commissioner and was also the most senior in the post of CIC Chairman, which has been vacant for several months after Bimal Julka retired. So next question. Okay, so he is Yaswardhan K. Sinha. This is his image. 1 second. This is his image. And so now let's move on to the next question. Who launched infrastructure management software? Answer is option number A, Indian Army. Indian Army has launched infrastructure management software. As the India expands to accommodate its growing rank and capacities, infrastructure development has gained significant importance in many of the army stations where major works are planned to replace vintage accommodation of pre-independence era. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, so next question is, okay, so sixth question is, Japan to achieve zero carbon emission by which year? Answer is option number D, 2050. Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga uh, has stated that the country will achieve zero carbon emission by 2050. Friends, earlier Prime Minister of Japan was Shinzo Abe. Now it has changed to Yoshihide Suga. The PM stated he intends to make a sustainable economy pillar of his growth strategy and put maximum effort in achieving a green society. So let's move on to the next question. On which day is All Saints Day celebrated? So, as all you know, what is the date of today? Today is 1 November. So, answer is option number A, 1 November. So, All Saints Day is celebrated to praise all the saints. All Saints Day is also known as All Hallows Day or Hello Mass. So, let's move on to the next question. Who has launched the National Program and Project Management Policy Framework NPMPF to transform the infrastructure sector in India in association with Quality Council of India? So answer is option number A, Niti Aayog. So what is the full form of Niti? National Institution for Transforming India. Niti Aayog and Quality Council of India QCI has launched the National Program and Project Management Policy Framework NPMPF to transform the infrastructure sector in India. It was launched by Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. So let's move on to the next question. The Labour and Employment Ministry has revised the base year of the Consumer Price Index for industrial workers CPI-IW from 2001 to DEF. So answer is option number C, B, 2016. The Labour and Employment Ministry has revised the base year of the Consumer Price Index for industrial workers CPI-IW from 2001 to 2016 to reflect the changing consumption pattern. CPI-IW index is used to measure inflation in retail prices for regulation of dearness allowance (DA) of government employees and industrial workers and for fixing and revising minimum wages in scheduled employments. So this is a very important question for your exam. The Labour and Employment Ministry has revised the base year of Consumer Price Index for industrial workers CPI-IW from 2001 to 2016. So let's move on to the next question. Kesubhai Patel, who passed away recently, was the former Chief Minister of which state? Answer is option number C, Gujarat. Kesubhai Savdas Patel, who was the former Chief Minister of Gujarat and veteran leader of BJP Bharat Janata Party and founder of Gujarat Parivartan Party GPP, passed away at the age of 92 at a hospital in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. He was born in 1928 in Visawadar, Gujarat. He was tested positive for coronavirus in September 2020. He was also tested for positive in coronavirus sometime in September 2020. So you can see he is Kesubhai Savdas Patel. And let's move on to the next question. So 11 number question. Which state launched Dharani for land and property registration? Answer is option number D, Telangana. Telangana CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao launched Dharini portal for land and property registration at Mundu Chintapalli village of Madchal Malkajgiri district in Telangana. The portal is a one of its kind integrated land record management system. The portal has been developed by Telangana State Technology Services TSTS. T for Telangana, S for state, T for technology, S for services. Important question for your exam. So let's move on to the next question. So friends, you know that water was discovered on the surface of the moon. So who discovered it? It was discovered by NASA. So the two new states published in Nature Astronomy suggest there could be much more water than previously thought, including ice stored in permanently shadowed cold trips at lunar polar region. Researchers scanned the lunar surface at a more precise wavelength than has been used before. 6 microns instead of 3. Double of it, 6, just double of 3 microns. This allowed them to distinguish the special fingerprint of molecular water. So it was the last question for today, and let's move on to the okay. This is a surprise question for you. When each world stroke day observed? Option A 27 October, option B 28 October, option C 29 October, option D 30 October. So what is the answer? Will I tell you or you tell me? Let's see. Okay, you should answer this question in comments, and this was the last question. And so if you like the video, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel Study Delight, and please share this video, forward this video to many people, to your friends. And as obvious, thanks for watching.